Now, the reason why over 90% of people are struggling to manifest money is because of the programming. You see, most of us, we were programmed that money is scarce and that you have to work hard for money, and that the love of money is the root of all evil, and I can go on and on and on and on. So now, my question to you is, what do you believe about money? What is your relationship with money? If I had to ask money now, what's your relationship status? What did money say to me? You see, I'm going to give you an example. When I grew up, I basically was taught that money is scarce. And because I grew up religious, I thought that money was evil. So then, how that affected me is, when I started my businesses, I always reached a ceiling and I could never go beyond, what I intended because of my beliefs. You have to understand, your beliefs are the blueprint of your life. Your beliefs are running the show. So if you have a belief right now that you have to work hard for money, you can't expect to receive money effortlessly. You can't expect to chill on the beach making money. No, because the belief that you have states that you have to work hard. So you'll always find yourself working hard. It's only when you take a moment, challenge those beliefs, debunk them and say, no, this belief no longer serves me. Because if a belief doesn't serve you, then it controls you. So I'm asking you again, what do you believe about money? What are your beliefs about money? And be honest with yourself. Because let me tell you something, when you change your beliefs about money, your entire bank account changes. Especially, I now have the belief that I receive money effortlessly. Effortlessly. And that is what's happening now. Because whatever I say goes. I am the main character. I am on the pedestal. And the beautiful thing is, I now have an amazing relationship with money. Money and I, we cool now. We besties, we buddies. Because money is simply just an energy. You see, money is not like this boogeyman that, a lot of people, they go crazy and they feel so anxious, they feel so worried when it comes to money. Yes, I know it's a sensitive, subject, but that's intended. You see, the air that you breathe is exactly the same like money. You don't have any limiting beliefs with the air that you breathe. You don't say that, you know what? There's not enough air today. I'm only going to breathe in through one nostril because I want to breathe sparingly. No, you know that there's abundance of air. There's abundance of air, right? So you are not conditioned to be in lack of receiving the air that you breathe every day. You know that you are worthy, you're deserving, and you're good enough to breathe the air every day, right? But when it comes to money, a lot of people do not believe that they're worthy. They believe that they have to work. A lot of people don't believe that they're deserving. They believe that they have to do something to get money. A lot of people don't believe that they're good enough. They believe that, no, this first needs to happen before I can get money. Now, I'm here to tell you that money and wealth and abundance is your birthright. It is your birthright. Why? Because you are a spiritual being having a human experience. Now that spirit within you is one with God. It's one with the universe. It's one with source. That's why you are qualified to be worthy, deserving, and good enough to be in abundance, to be wealthy, and to receive money effortlessly. So take your power back. Ask yourself, what are your beliefs about money? Change that if it doesn't serve you, and then be in the flow of money. Money is energy. It's waiting to spoil you. Money wants to follow you like a puppy. Money wants to compliment you. Money wants to be around you. Money wants to flow to you. Money wants to command you. Money wants to just chill with you. Money wants to be your bestie again. But you are probably pushing money away and say, no, I first have to work hard for you. No, I first have to start a business. No, I first have to win the lottery. Money is saying, yo, I just want to chill. Please allow me, let me in. Why are you pushing me away? Why are you pushing me away? Money is literally waiting for you. So, what is it going to be? What is your relationship status with money right now? If I had to ask money, what are your relationship status? What would money tell me? And for more free coaching resources, see link in description. And if you're an entrepreneur and you are stuck and you are struggling with limiting beliefs, self-doubt, procrastination, and you want to increase your income, you can book a free breakthrough mindset call with me. I will do a full diagnosis on your mind to find out exactly why you're stuck, and I can then, discuss, ways to make sure you increase your income, because you're supposed to be a wealthy and prosperous entrepreneur. Why? Because it's your birthright. So see link in below to book a free mindset call with me. Having said that, keep smiling and enjoy your blissful day.